Wisdom leads the technological changes of the times. We are witnessing the achievements of smart manufacturing. Enjoy the convenience of a smart city, moving towards a smarter era. Develop artificial intelligence to empower traditional industries. We lead the way for the future. In October 2019, Benson Intelligent Equipment Shandong Company was officially established. Located at the foot of Mount Tai, adjacent to the hometown of Fat Peaches. As a modern high-tech enterprise, and technology-based small and medium-sized enterprise, Benson, integrating industrial robots, high-level palletizers, and automated assembly lines. Integrating R&D, production and technical services. Always committed to using leading smart devices. Technical transformation of traditional labor-intensive and heavy manual labor industries. Improve production efficiency and achieve cost reduction and efficiency increase. Use technology to empower and continuously expand intelligent manufacturing. Comprehensive provision of system technical solutions and precision manufacturing of equipment. We have formed the core competitive advantages of smart equipment and smart factories. Self-developed column-type palletizing robot. High degree of modernization, intelligent operation management, simplicity, easy control and other advantages. Filled in many gaps at home and abroad. Column palletizing robot. It is the third-generation product independently upgraded and developed by Benson. It is suitable for different fields with low investment and high return, and the use effect is remarkable. Benson Joint Robot. Adhering to independent research and development and continuous optimization and upgrading of equipment, the speed can reach 700 to 800 times per hour, which is comparable to imported models. Semi-automatic and fully automatic packaging machines. It can realize unmanned operation, superior product performance, low failure rate and high precision. Tailor-made one-stop solutions for opening, packaging and sealing for enterprises. Wrapping machine series. Greatly reduce losses during loading and transportation, prevent dust and moisture, and reduce packaging costs. Telescopic conveyor series. On-site customization in the logistics and transportation industry, greatly saving labor and improving efficiency. The company has reached strategic cooperation consensus with internationally renowned companies such as Nanjing Esten Automation, imported Fanuc, ABB, Kuka, and Kawasaki. Use high-quality accessories from the United States, Japan and Europe such as Siemens and Omron. With advanced processing equipment, quality has been greatly improved. R&D capability is the driving force for enterprises to move forward. The company has brought together a group of high-level and high-quality professionals. Continuously promote the research and development of various smart devices. Successfully developed a product that can be widely used in automated packaging back-end. A new generation of automated assembly lines for automated logistics engineering. Its capabilities and various technical indicators are at a high level. Attention to details, lean manufacturing, core products have obtained various certifications. Each breakthrough from 0 to 1 becomes a continuous evolution of oneself. In chemical industry, feed, flour, building materials, food, beverage, beer, automated logistics. It is widely used in other industries and creates value in different production links. Business reaches the United States, Poland, Algeria, Thailand, Malaysia, Philippines, Vietnam and other countries and regions. It has successively reached strategic cooperation with Mengniu, Sinochem, Nippon Paint, Nongda Fertilizer, Beijing Jingong, Tiankong Biological, Qiankalai Group, Zindadi Group, Jinshe Group and other enterprises in China, and has been chosen by many domestic and foreign first-line customers. And trust. In 2023, operating income will exceed 200 million yuan, an increase of 200% over the previous year, and the market share is far ahead. Use world quality, leading design, reasonable price, and honest cooperation. The excellent after-sales service system has received unanimous praise from the industry. Manhuai becomes China's advanced industrial robot manufacturing supplier. Establish the vision of Benson brand's position in the Chinese market. Establish integrity, produce quality products, and create excellence. Bensenzi makes exquisite products. The previous year, and the market share is far ahead. Use world quality, leading design, reasonable price, and honest cooperation. The excellent after-sales service system has received unanimous praise from the industry. Manhuai becomes China's advanced industrial robot manufacturing supplier. Establish the vision of Benson brand's position in the Chinese market. Establish integrity, produce quality products, and create excellence. Benson makes exquisite products.